Welcome back to the GOPROist, guys. My name is Michael, and this is my custom PC build series. What is up, guys? We're back, and first off, I'm gonna go over something really quick. As you can see here, I already have my power supply installed. That is because some more of my computer parts came, and I lost some footage, sadly. But I didn't do much, so I'm gonna go over all this stuff. Basically, what happened is I got some of my parts, and I wanted to take a video, but I had to make another video anyways because a couple of them hadn't come yet. So they've all come now, so might as well just do it all as one episode. So yes, we do have a power supply installed already. It is the Silverstone 550 watt Strider Gold 80 plus gold power supply. So that's that. And we got the case. Nothing else is new with the case. I did a little bit of cable routing, but tried to install that in the last video. Like I said, I lost it, but nothing else was lost. I can just go over the parts again. So, over here, start off with the processor. I have the AMD FX 8350. It is an 8-core processor. Incredible processor. It's 4.0 gigahertz straight out of the box. We will probably be overclocking in a later episode. That's why we got our nice water cooler. So let's move on to the motherboard. For a motherboard, we have the corresponding AM3 Plus socket, the Asus M5A99FX Pro R2.0 motherboard. It's USB 3.0 compatible. Good looking motherboard. And for the graphics card, the EVGA GeForce GTX 760. Great looking graphics card, medium end. I think it's going to do good for what I'm going to use it for. I didn't need to go all out, but this definitely I don't believe is going to cap any capabilities that I need. Or that I'm going to, whatever. Now, that is everything. Oh, besides we also got the power supply. Besides that, that's everything that came the last time. So you are now caught up on the lost footage. And now let's jump into what I got in the new package today. And first off, let's go with the RAM. I have G-Skill Ripjaw. I have two 8 gigabyte RAM cards, which equals 16 total. So that'll be in a tandem. Nice looking. It's got a nice aluminum heat spreader that matches my case. So pretty nice looking RAM. Optical drive. It is an Asus Blu-ray drive. It also writes DVDs and it does everything else, but it's Blu-ray compatible. Wasn't too expensive, and it's pretty lightweight. I'm actually kind of surprised. I thought it'd be heavier. I don't know why. And along with this stuff I purchased, I got a couple free things, so I might as well show you. A case of crappy CD-ROMs. Woohoo! 50 of them, because I will totally use a single one of these. I was kidding there. And the most exciting thing that I got, that actually came with the graphics card, is a coupon, which blurred out here, so you can't see it. You won't be stealing my Assassin's Creed Black Flag. That's right, I have Assassin's Creed 4 for free. It's a $60 game. I believe the thing is still running if you guys want to purchase one. If you buy a certain thing from Newegg, you'll get Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag. So all I have to do is type in the code online and I get a free download. So we'll be doing, I cannot talk today. We'll be doing some gameplay on that. So that wraps it up for my computer parts. Stay tuned in this series because next time we will be putting most of this stuff together. And further on through that, we will continue the series. So, my name is Michael. This is my custom PC build series on the GOPROist. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.